Welcome to Hotel Vin. Every autograph hotel has to have what they call their mark of craft. What's their signature that makes them different than the next autograph? But how do you take it to the next level? How do you make it different? So we developed a partnership with Riedel. It allows us to serve wine in the right temperature in the right glass.
Everything about the glass is manipulated for the varietal that it's supposed to hold. Obviously wine glasses, but you can also call them your tools. But nonetheless, what we'll do first is we're just gonna swirl the wine and smell before we taste. These wine glasses are meant to activate all of your senses, so we want to make sure that we're doing that.
What are you getting on the nose? I get like apple, pears, maybe pears. Okay, let's taste.
So if you take a look, this is exactly how the wine would hit your palate. You can only take one of these glasses with you for the rest of your life. You definitely want to take glass 5. This holds an entire bottle of wine. So if you can only have one glass a day, this is your one glass that equals a bottle.
Before you order the wine, you say what? Can I see the glasses? If this is the glass, you know what you do?
Drink vodka.
You'd be disappointed if this was your wine and you spent $85, $100 on a bottle of wine, and then this was the glass.